Welcome to KidsQuest from the Chattanooga Public Library with Olga and Shelley. We'll have so much fun with science, games, crafts, and more. Each week, there will be a special project or activity. So get ready to be curious. This week, we are very curious about rainbows. Have you ever been outside on a sunny day and then the clouds roll in? Oh no, it's begun to rain. Grab your umbrella. After the dark skies clear up and the sun comes back out, you might be lucky and see a rainbow. Rainbows in the sky are formed when light shines through water. This happens when there is sun and rain at the same time. Even though light looks white or clear, light is made up of lots of colors. We usually can't see these colors, but when sunlight happens to pass through water, like raindrops, the light bends, and then we can see the colors. Here is a fountain in a pond on a very sunny day. No rain in sight. Are you ready for a science experiment? Here is what you will need. 4 small clear containers, water, food coloring, and paper towels. Now this experiment is just for fun. We are really not mixing sunlight and water to make rainbows. Line your containers in a row. Add water to each one, filling close to the top. Next comes the food coloring. You need red, yellow, and blue. Put red in the first container. Now think like a scientist. How many drops will you put in? Next comes yellow. Then blue. And what color do you think will go in the last container? Let's put in red again. Now it is time to stir. Mix well. You can add more food coloring in if you don't think they are dark enough. Now take a paper towel and you are going to twist together. Roll it, squish it, twist it tight to make a roll. Bend to make an arch in the paper like a rainbow shape and put one end in red and the other in yellow. Repeat for yellow and blue, and then again for blue and red. What do you think will happen? If you guessed the paper towels will absorb the colored water, you are right. It will take some time. I left mine for about 30 minutes. What will happen when the red mixes with the yellow? It's orange. How about yellow and blue? It's green. Blue and red make purple. We made a rainbow. Well, a pretend rainbow. Hopefully you will see a real rainbow soon. And thanks for being curious.